Hello mga karaklan. Ito yung follow up sa ko doon sa mga reviews ko ng mga video. So yung topic naman natin ngayon is uh, what are the warrantless arrests? Warrantless arrest, yan sila? In flagrante delicto. When the suspect is caught committing a crime in the presence of the arresting officer. So isa yan siya na mga requirements sa warrantless arrest. Warrantless arrest or civilian arrest. Next is the hot pursuit. When the suspect has just committed a crime and the arresting officer has probable cause to believe that the crime is committed, or they believe that they are the culprit. Yung last naman is yung recapturing escapees. Yan yung mga yung mga tumakas sa kulungan, sa jail. So doon ginapa yung warrantless arrest. So in flagrante delicto, sinabi ko na na na-caught in the act yan. Yung hot pursuit naman, yung pinaka-example dyan, yung katapos lang ng pangyayari, yes, yung law enforcer or police officer or has personal knowledge na kapangyari lang ng krimen, then sinundan nila considering na nakatumakas, na identify, kilala nila, may personal knowledge siya or sila. So doon papasok yung hot pursuit. Alright? Any question or bad reaction, just comment down below. Alright? Thank you.